Kuum is the first company in Estonia to produce electrical sauna heaters and also remote controls for these heaters. I believe the most important thing when it comes to our heaters is the physical design. We have also received the Red Dot Award in 2014. The Red Dot Award should be pretty much the same as Oscar is with movies or in the film industry. We also produce sauna remote controls, so we do have a very unique solution. They also work over GSM network, so you can actually activate your sauna over the mobile phone. So we have sold our products all over the world. I can name Iraq, China, Japan, New Zealand, Australia, United States, Canada, and so on. Distributors we have in Finland, Sweden, Latvia, Lithuania, Poland, Slovakia, Netherlands, Belgium, Switzerland just started, so quite a few. So people all over the world, they just contact us. For example, a couple of months ago, I received a call in the middle of the night from Bermuda. We actually do have lots of ideas about conquering the world. We are ready to enter the US market. There are a couple of things different over there. The GSM frequencies, for example, so we will be coming on the market with a new remote control. And besides that, we do have wood-burning heaters ready, and they are in the lab this very moment being tested, so lots of distributors who are very interested in these products.